I don't
Yes.
understand how to find out on number 9 that
Look,
the P is 0.07. So is that the mean?
P is
I
the
just don't
mean
get it.
of the proportion, or what's the P with the bar above it called?
P hat.
Oh yeah, P hat. So P is the mean of P hat.
yeah.
What?
Yeah,
I don't
so
understand that.
the mean of P hat equals P. Yeah, I know it's kind of confusing, but that's what it says.
So I don't understand how to do that 9A. 7% is the true unknown percent of the population. So 7% is P.
Well, P is actually, you're just dividing the top number from the bottom number, which is N.
Yeah, in 9 though they give you 7% is P. So
Yeah.
P, the mean is 0.07 or 7%.
Yeah.
And then
Exactly.
P hat is 8%, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't get it. It's confusing.
I know, I was kind of confused at first. So then the standard deviation, you have to do the formula for it.
Right, the P hat minus P over O. No. Okay, so it's 0.08 minus 0.07 over the standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
0.07, 1 minus 0.07 over, and what's N on this one? Is 60 or 750?
750.
And that's all square root. Okay, so 0.01 is on the top. And then 1 minus 0.07 is going to be 0.93 times 0.07 over 750 and square root. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Okay, that's what I didn't get. So let me see. 0.07 times 0.93, and that's, divide by 750. And how do you do the square root? 0.0000868. And then 0.01 divided by, is that whole thing in the square root? No. 0.09316. 1 divided by 0.09316. So it's 1.0734 the answer?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you did.
I mean, is that the Z-score?
0.07. You're doing the standard deviation, right? Or did you move on?
No, I did the Z-score.
Oh, that's what you were doing?
Yeah, that's the one I just did. Is that what you guys got for 9B?
What did you get? 1 point what?
I got 1.0743.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you did it right.
That was
Can't
good.
believe it. Okay. So the mean is 0.07. And standard deviation is Okay. Is 0.07. So it's 0.009. Oh, shoot. 0.009316 for standard deviation.
Yeah, I just put 0.0093, and that's what the answer said.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Perfect. Oh, I'm so happy I got that. Okay, and then let me just go to C. What is the probability that more than 60% in the survey use only cell phones? And let me check the answer page.
You just
And
put it in the applet, the z-score.
Oh. Okay, let me pull that up. Hold on. Applet, really? Okay.
Yeah, because it's just going back to what we used to do when we get the z-score, and you'd have to find the probability.
Oh, yes. Okay, I'm just writing that down. ILITY. So 1.0743. Are we marking the middle? What?
No, you mark
You just
above
to the right side.
the right side, yeah. The right tail.
Okay. How do you know it's 0.1414?
Yeah. Because it says what is the probability that more than 60%.
Oh, that's what you do, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Oh, that was awesome. Thanks, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, area. Okay. So I'm good to go into the next thing. Oops.
The quiz.
Gosh, the quiz. Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. Let me find it. Okay, start quiz. In the pie chart, why are the slices different sizes?
I put the third one.
I did too. They
Yep.
smart.
Can't always use the good. Okay, wait. I have too many windows open. Number of categories. It's not the second one.
Well, it's each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by the category.
Yeah, I think it's the third one too. Okay, good. Bar charts and Pareto is they're ordered largest to smallest. Yes, the third one.
I was thinking
Okay.
number 2.
They are identical except that it's ordered from largest to smallest.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just putting them all in order.
That's what I put too, Mary. But then I looked at the reading, and that's what Rosalie was saying. It was left to right.
Well, I thought it would. Yeah, I thought it was 3 at first, and then I read so they were identical.
Yeah.
I guess I don't know.
They are, but it's just changing the order of
Where they're at.
going largest to smallest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll find out. No big deal.
Yeah, we'll find out. We can do it twice. We're good.
Okay. So
And
we
P is
conclude that
greater than
P hat
10.
is, I don't remember.
I said it was true.
I did as well.
Guys are so
true
smart to
proportion.
figure it out so quick. You don't have to go back and look at the notes.
You already
Guys
did,
just get
Rosalie.
it.
I did. Had to look at the notes several times.
Rosalie, you think we're
Okay.
sometimes you think
They're just ahead of us.
I know. You guys are always like, I got it. And I'm like, wait.
No, you're good.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay, good. So it's normally distributed. Okay, wait. Is P the true population or the sample population? I think
Proportion.
it's sample. Is it sample? Oh, proportion, yeah.
The
Sample,
sample
right?
proportion p hat is normally distributed if
Hmm.
n is large. The true population mean of the random variable p is mean of p equals 3. Yeah, so I believe them.
What? Wait, what? What?
Except I don't know because
Well, in the reading, it said it was true proportion. So
it says it's true
Oh, it
for
did.
a true population, but I see we can apply the central limit theorem to a sample proportion and conclude that P follows a normal distribution if both the following conditions are satisfied. NP is greater than 10 or N times 1 minus P is greater than 10.
Okay, wait, where are you reading, Ashley?
3.2.
Okay, let me find it. Oh, yeah, central limit theorem. Sample proportion is P hat. So P is the true proportion.
Okay.
I think.
Well, that's what I said, and then you guys got me all confused that I agreed with them. No, I'm just kidding. I think it's confusing because it's confusing to read P hat and separate it from P.
Yeah.
I don't know why they do that.
It's-
That's dumb.
Yeah,
Anyways.
it's the same thing.
Anyways,
I don't
let's
like
move
it.
on. What is
Okay.
N?
N is the
Sample size, right?
sample size. Yes.
What I said.
Okay.
Oh my God.
So if P equals 1/4, what is the smallest N that satisfies the requirement? What?
If
I said
P is
0.1.
1/4.
How did you get 0.1?
It was something I saw in the reading.
Shoot. P is 1/4.
When I multiplied 1/4 by, the answer was 0.25. So if you get the answer that way.
What? Okay. 1/4. What is the smallest N? Let me see.
Let me see where I saw that.
P. So 1/4 is going to be 0.25. Okay, wait. 5. 1 minus 0.25 over N. Is that face? What?
Yeah, I have no idea how to answer that.
Well, okay, on 3.1, the tossing the coin example, P equals 0.5 because of if you're tossing a coin, you have half and half, like 50%
Okay.
chance of getting either one, right?
Yeah, so I see that, like,
So yeah, on that one, they did say that see, it says in that blue box, number 6, the true theoretical standard deviation of p hat in this case is 0.1.
yeah, I saw that.
But it's different. See, okay, so let's work it out with the different numbers. So now it's going to be 0.25 instead of 0.5. Okay, so it's 0.25 times 1 minus 0.25 over n. What is n? How do we know what n is?
Well, that's the thing, is I have no idea what's going on.
Yeah.
Because they said 25.
Okay, so use the following information for the next 3 questions, 5, 6, 7. So this is a part of the last ones, but it doesn't tell us anything, so never mind.
Oh.
Literally, it doesn't give you any other numbers, so.
Greater than or equal to 10. Shoot.
Okay, so n times
If p
1
equals
minus
1/4, what is the smallest? N. Maybe it's 10 then. Let me try it with 10 in here. So 0.25 times, okay, what's 0.75 over 10 equals? Let's see what this is going to.
So wouldn't you just divide it then? It's just 1/4.
Multiply and then divide by 10. So I got 0.01875.
Well, so I kind of think we're supposed to put p into the equation and figure out n that
Right.
way. So
On
I
the
put
standard
in,
deviation?
no, the equation n times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10.
Oh, okay. Equals 1/4. Oh, okay.
I could be
Let's do
wrong
that.
because it has to be greater than or equal to 10.
Yeah.
So it can't be
Okay.
0.0 something. You know what I mean?
Yes. So we have n and we have 0.25. N is greater than or equal to 10. What? And n, which is 0.25, times 1 minus, oh, n isn't the, p is the 0.25.
Yeah, p is the
What?
0.25.
Okay, so n times 1 minus 0.25, which is the same thing as saying n times 0.75. To 10, divide and divide. So n is greater than or equal to 10 divided by 0.75, which is 13.333. So that's what I'm going to put.
Wait, what did you get?
I got 13.333.
Okay, yeah. So, I mean, that's the only thing I can think of that makes any
That
sense.
makes sense.
Yeah.
And so let's plug it back in. NP, so 13.333 times, is greater than or equal to 10. So let me do times 0.25. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait, NP. Shoot. But that doesn't work
That
when I plug
doesn't
it
make
back
any
in.
sense.
1 minus P, 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75,
Yeah.
and N times 0.75, and then divide by 0.75, so that's 10 divided by 0.75. Let me just do it again. 10 divided by 0.75. Yeah, 13.333. Eek. So let's leave it and we'll see what we get.
That's so weird.
I know, but it's crazy because when you plug it back in, it doesn't work.
Well, it gives you a number that's less than 10.
Yeah, N times P, that's 13. And P is 0.25. You know what? Maybe it means we have to multiply it by 4. 40.
Wait,
'Cause
multiply, what would we multiply by 4?
10. Because if it has to be greater than or equal to 10, and P is 1/4. See what I mean? It's 0.25. Then if it's 40, and then times 1/4, 0.25. See what I mean? Does that make any sense?
Not
40.
really.
Okay, because if you multiply 40 times 0.25, you get 10.
Yeah, but where's 4? I don't get where 40 is coming from.
On the information above question 5, it says information. Use the following information. We conclude that P hat is normally distributed if, this is the one I'm looking at, NP
Yeah, I
is
know,
equal to
but
10.
they haven't given us the number 40 anywhere, so that's why I'm wondering where that's coming from.
No, so just looking at that as our starting point, NP is greater than or equal to 10. And then we jump down to number 7, and it says if P equals 1/4. So I'm putting that in. So it's N times 1/4 is greater than or equal to 10. 40.
So would N be 4?
No, because you have to multiply by 0.25. So 1/4 of 4 would be 1, but 1/4 of 40 would be 10, right?
But wouldn't
I'm still really confused.
I'm not
my
following.
problem is, like, my thing is, I haven't seen any of this anywhere in the reading, so I don't understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, we could go and, like, guess on everything, but I don't see this anywhere.
I'm going to put 10, and we'll see what we come up with, because we all can put different ones for the first one.
Yeah.
I'm putting 10. I'm just going to see. It might be way off.
I mean, we could
I
just be totally...
I'm usually the way offest one out of all of us, so.
No, get it.
So I'm putting 10, and we'll see what it comes out to be, because I could be in left field. Do you see what I'm saying on that 10? Okay, and then look, if P is 1/4 and N is 10, and watch. 10 times 1 minus 0.25. So 10 times 0.75. Calculate it.
7.5.
Yeah. And that's less than or equal to 10. It works.
Wait, you used 10? You used 10 as the sample size?
Where you get the 10 from?
No.
What did you use as the
I
sample
used
size? When you plugged it back in?
N. So that was what I'm putting. I'm putting 10 for question 7, right?
Okay.
So your sample size is is 10, I mean.
Yeah. Yes, 10.
But that doesn't work when I plug it back into. I get 7.5.
Oh, no, I mean 40. Sorry. What did I say?
So 10.
No, I'm putting 40.
10.
Oh my gosh. I'm confusing myself. No, okay. Okay. Okay, wait.
But then
40.
then you get 30. I don't know. We can just try it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Wait. Let me go back one more time and just think about it for a second. If P equals 1/4, then it has to be 40. 40 times 1/4.
I
Okay,
still don't understand where you're getting 40 from.
Okay, here's where I'm getting 40. On 7, it says P equals 1/4, right? So it's 0.25. So
Yeah.
P equals 0.25. And then we go back up above question 5, and we're going to put it in there. So N, okay, N times 0.25, so it's 0.25 N, is greater than or equal to 10. Okay?
Okay, now I got it. You put it in the other equation is what you did.
The first one.
Okay.
And then divide by 0.25, divide by 0.25. Oh, shoot. 0.25. Yeah, it works. And then you come up with N is greater than or equal to 40. Da-da-da!
What the
All
heck?
right. Now I get it, where that was coming
Okay.
from. I didn't know you were using the other one because I was like, that doesn't make any sense. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
let's-
I'm going to try 40. I mean, it's fine if we try different ones, and then that way we can see which one comes out right, and then we'll know. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So use the following information to answer the next 2 questions. What is the mean of P? Okay.
Okay.
So this is, oh, dang it.
N equals, wait a minute. .04. X over N. Wait, how do we find out this mean of P?
I have
Pat?
no idea.
You divide.
I don't know.
The mean of P hat is P, so it's 0.4.
Yeah, 0.4 divided by 24.
No, it's not. It's not that. That's the standard deviation, or that's different. The mean of P hat is P, so it's just 0.4.
Right.
actually-
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, that's so confusing.
So then
Oh,
the standard
and then-
deviation is the square root of
The whole
P.
thing.
Yeah.
Okay, that one I get. Okay, square root of. One minus over 24. And that is 0.4 times 0.6. Okay, so it's, oh my gosh. Okay, and then square root. So I got 0.1.
Yeah, that's what I got.
0.01.
I
Yep.
got 0.1. I just got 0.1.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
let it be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Brittany. to determine the probability she'll get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at bat.
Wait a second.
0.03. What?
Wait, is 9 0.1 or 0.01?
I got 0.1 because
Well,
you have
then
to
I
square
did
root.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's what I was. Duh. I got 0.12 and then I did it again and I just divided it and it was wrong. And
But you need to do the square root.
I did it the first time. So
Okay, good.
okay, let's go on.
Yes. Okay, good.
Okay,
So
Bernice.
the P hat is P. Oh, shoot. No, I did that wrong.
Okay, yeah, so P hat's different.
It's
So-
different. Yeah. Okay. Oh
Okay.
my gosh. It sounds like we're talking another language when we say P hat.
I know.
Oh, that's the difference. The
P
P
hat
and the P.
equals
Okay.
X over N. So it's, what the heck is X? Oh, 35 over 100, right?
Yeah.
0.35.
0.35, yes, good. And standard deviation is, gosh,
Okay, so
P hat equals 0.35. Standard deviation is P 0.3 minus 0.3 over 100 square root. So it's 0.3 times.
so I got for 11 0.046.
0021. Hold on. I got standard deviation. I got
What was that, Ashley?
0.045.
I've got 0.046.
Oh yeah, 6 because yeah. Okay, I got the same thing.
0.046.
Which one are you on?
0.046.
11. Mary,
What?
that was
Did you
11.
get
I
0.
thought 0.046 because it's 5/8.
What did you all get? 0.3 for 10?
For
Yeah, 0.35.
0.35, yeah.
Good. Then we plug that in. 0.35 minus 0.3 over that. 0.35 minus 0.3. Oh, 5 divided by I got 1.087.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yep.
Good. Good. So then we plug that in and gets at least 35, so we're going to go greater than 1.08.
Well,
Point
if she gets at
one.
least 35 hits, then it's going to be shaded to the left.
Oh, all the rest of them. Yeah. Oh, you're right, because it's the higher, it's 86%. Okay. 0.8662.
Sure.
Yeah.
Awesome. its true population of people is P that and N that. Probability the results of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the votes. Gosh.
I'm sick of doing
Okay.
this equation.
I know. Me too. 0.52 minus. Oh, that's not right. That is not right at all. Okay, wait. P. Okay, I lost it. Oh, I see X over N. X. So what is the X on here? 50? Like point.
What do you need X for? We're doing the standard deviation.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's 0.52.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I know, it's
Okay.
confusing. We just need to do the standard deviation, the formula.
Okay, you're right. Okay, so it's P minus O times 1 minus P
What by 2,000?
over 2052. Okay. Minus. Square root of 0.000124. Okay, so I got 0.0112. Wait, oh,
Yeah, it's just going to be 0, 1, 1.
yeah. 111. 0, 1, 1, 1. Wait, what? Okay, wait. 0, 1, 1. Yes, okay. And that was crazy. What's the score? What'd you use? So we do need, oh, the p hat.
Yeah, so we do need X for that one. Because it's X divided by N.
So what's our x? 1,000? Because it's saying determine of him getting less than 50% of the votes, which is 1,000 votes.
That's what I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Okay, that was what I was thinking originally. So it's 1,000 minus 0.52 over that guy. That doesn't seem right though. Okay, wait.
It can't be right.
No, it's
Because
totally
the
wrong.
Z-score is like way high.
Yeah.
That's normal.
So maybe it's just 50%. So it's 0.5 minus 0.52. Let's try that.
That might be
Right?
That might be right.
Equals,
Except for it's
and then
negative.
divided by, yeah, because he's getting less than
Yeah,
50%.
okay.
Divided by 0.011. 011? 1 equals negative 1.8018.
I got negative 1.818.
Yeah, that's what I
Yes.
had.
Okay.
What am I doing then? So the probability is 0.036. Is that what you guys? Oh, Z-score. Oh, wait a second. Shoot. But it says, oh man,
The probability is the next question.
right. So you got a different z-score. Why did I get different? Because I used 111, negative 0.02, negative 0.02 divided by 0.011 equals, so it's negative 1.818.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's the probability? That's the z-score, and that is 1.818. 0.0345. Well, 0.035. Right?
Yeah. Hope those are right.
I think they are. I think we got it. I'm going to submit,
Okay.
and I'll tell you how I did. One. I missed number 13. What is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats? We probably shaded the wrong side. So don't put 0.862. That's wrong.
I wonder how that's wrong.
I think it's the, well, I don't
Because
know.
I don't know
think
where
it's
else
the
to
shade.
shade.
I know, I don't either.
Because we got the z-score right.
Yeah, everything's right except for that one.
For number 16. Because I get
Which number?
I have 0.2.
Which number?
16.
No, 0.035.
Maybe we're just supposed to shade the middle.
0.045.
035.
Okay, thanks.
Only true sample.
So 13 is 0.139.
Did you submit it and that was right?
Yeah, that was the one. So Rosalie, on number 7, it was 40, right? That was the question.
Yeah, 40 is right on 7.
Okay. Yeah, the other one, you shade it to the right. You don't shade anything else. You shade.
That
Just
doesn't
the
make
right.
sense. Why do you shade to the right if she's getting at least? Doesn't
Because she
make
could
sense.
get
Well,
that
It
or
says
more.
you always
So
shade
at
to the
least.
right.
Yeah, if she gets that or if she gets more than that, then at least would be more.
I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me when you put
So
in at least.
If I got at least $50, I could get $50 or $75 or $100, right? But at the very least, it's 50. So you can get the least one or more than that.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
So that's why we have to shade towards the top because she could get the top end. I don't know. It makes sense now that he said it, but I wouldn't have thought of it before. Because when you said that, it made sense too. 10 is 0.35. 11 is 0.046. 1.87.
Let's do this again.
13 I got wrong, and I'm going to put It makes sense to me too, now that I think about it, because if it's harder to get at least 35, so the percentage is low. $14, 0.71. Okay, I'm going to submit mine the second time. Eyes are burning. Okay, I got 100.
Nice.
Awesome.
So we just need, this week we need to think about, we have to start doing our group project.
Yeah.
What's our group
So
project?
we need to think of, it's on the announcements page. You do a group project and you have to use everything that we've learned. So we have to like design a study
Okay.
and then
Sorry,
go through the steps of doing it. So we have to like choose a topic that we want to do it with. So like when I've done this class before, one person did like suicide rates in Utah compared to like other states. And it's just stuff like that. I can't remember what my group did.
Something we can use numbers on, like used car sales or something like that?
Yeah, but she said do something like you're interested in.
Oh. Okay. What do we want to do?
Well, I was just saying we can think about it over the next few days. We don't have to decide right now. I'd rather everybody like think of something instead of just brainstorming for an hour right now.
And then we can.
Okay, perfect.
So we can just think about it. And then if anybody has ideas on Wednesday,
Okay.
and then we can go from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
What time do we want to meet Wednesday?
I'm good for 7:30 or 8. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm talking about Pacific time.
Yeah, I can do either of those. Pacific.
That works for me. But I don't know about Mary, so.
That works.
Mary,
Seven-
should we do 7:30?
I'm the latest time, so it'll be 8:30 for me.
Oh, you're an hour after us?
Yes.
She's 2 hours after me and you. She's
What
an
time is it
hour
right
Yeah,
now?
since the
It's
time
almost 9.
change. Well, it's almost 11.
Okay, so if we do 7:30, you're 9:30. Derek, you're 8:30.
Yeah, that works for me.
All right, Wednesday 7:30, 8:30, and 9:30. Okay.
All right.
You guys then.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye, thanks.